One of friends, Angie Murata, surviving and thriving. Beautiful day, St. Augustine, Florida. Shout out to the ACE group, Adult and Community Educators of Florida. And we're about to get started with the conference here. The sun obviously rising behind me. Do we have to today, or do we get to? Do we have to go to school today? Do we get to? Do we have to serve, or do we get to? And we can shift our mindset just a little bit and get to do these things, right? It's an honor and a privilege. We're honored to be educators and serving in the roles that we are doing. So as we rise each and every morning, gratitude, thinking about the good things in our lives and certainly the good things that are going to come. Keep surviving and thriving, friends. And again, shout out to the ACE organization, Adult and Community Educators of Florida. Shout out to Julie Roberts, she retiring here. Her and her team there, but Julie retiring, so wishing them all the best. Keep rolling, friends.